Okay, so the first lipstick is the Blue Heaven Longwear Lip Color, and I'm in the shade 250 Hazelnut. This is absolutely a gorgeous and stunning color, and this is more like a pigmented lip gloss and not like a matte lipstick. So if you're looking for a pretty color, this is one. Now these kind of colors are usually available in very high end lipsticks, so you don't get shades like this easily, and this does not really last you for a long time, lasts you maximum 1 hour, and then it leaves a pretty good tint. But if you're looking for something peachy, sort of nude, I think this is one, and it'll look absolutely gorgeous. The MRP of the lipsticks is 105, but I got it on discount for rupees 95, and here's how it looks like. Now the next lipstick is the Blue Heaven Super Splash Matte Lipstick, and I'm in the shade 307 Chocolate Mood. It is one of the very gorgeous colors, looks really very pretty. I'm swatching it here for you, and this is more like a matte lipstick. It really lasts for quite some time, like for 4 to 5 hours definitely, and this is one shade that's gonna go very well with every skin tone. So if you are lighter skin tone, it's going to look like a nice brown shade, and if you are medium to deep, it's going to look again very stunning on you. A highly recommended shade from this range. The lipstick really feels comfortable on lips. The MRP says it to be 195, but again you can purchase it on discount for rupees 150 approx. And I think Blue Heaven has a lot of lipsticks to offer if you're looking for a budget friendly lipstick. Now I'm NC42 and this looks really stunning on me, so if you are deeper than me, or if you are lighter than me, again going to be a very stunning color. So I've chosen these lipsticks keeping every skin tone in mind, and yeah, here's how it looks like. It's a perfect matte lipstick, and it has a little creamy texture as well. The third lipstick is again from the Blue Heaven, and it's in their Elegance Matte range. The shade is number 11, and if you want a detailed video on these, it's available on my channel. I have done a separate video for these Elegance Matte lipsticks, and this is again a very pretty color, but once I swatch it for you, you will get it. This is not meant for every skin tone, because when I apply it, I have really pigmented lips, and this color a little bit washes me out, so I'll let you know how I use it. Now since I have a very pigmented lips, this color really washes me out. It is not meant for every skin tone, especially if you are deeper. So these lipsticks are priced at 195 rupees. You can again get it on discount for 150 approx. Now as you can see, this color really washes me out because I have really pigmented lips, and if you are someone deeper than me, it's definitely going to wash you. But I don't want to give up this color because this is a very gorgeous color, and actually this lipstick helps me in making my own customized nude lipstick, so I don't really want to give up. So how I like using is I just apply any of my nude lipstick, and then I use the Elegance Matte top coat as a customizable nude, and you can actually use any color beneath. You can use a red tint or a brown tint or a peach tint, and then use this as your top coat, and it's going to give you a very pretty color. So if you have bought this and you feel it washes you, don't worry now. And this is how it looks. Please enjoy my awkward posing because I'm really bad at this. The fourth lipstick is the Insight Matte Lipstick. I have again done a detailed video on these lipsticks. If you want, you can check them on my channel. It is the most gorgeous lipsticks of all. If you want me to suggest you one, I'd definitely tell you this one. It's a very budget friendly lipstick, and it's a very pretty color. And I think the color speaks for itself. This is going to look very, very stunning on every skin tone. One single coat of it gives you that perfect nude, and multiple layers give you a nice dark chocolate brown color. So definitely go for it. Now, if you're looking forward to go a little higher on your budget, I have two great recommendations for you. The first one is the Stay Quirky Liquid Lipstick, and I'm in the shade I Woke Up Like This. Again, one of my favorite nudes of all time. When I don't know what to wear, this is definitely one color I love to go for, whether it's parties, whether it's, my office look, or it's the college look, or it's the everyday casual look. This is one shade that you can wear anytime, and this looks again very pretty on every skin tone, from deeper to lighter to medium. This is again a very good and universal shade. Looks really very pretty, and the MRP of the lipstick is somewhere around 600, but you can get it for 350 on discount, which again I think is a very good price if you're looking for a budget friendly nude lipstick. Now I've kept my face very bare minimum so that you can get a clear picture of how this would look like on you if you are somewhere near my skin tone. So I hope the video really helps you, and yeah, absolutely a very gorgeous color. Definitely look for it in discount. It's available on Purple, and you can get it for around 350, which is I think a very good price. This is one shade I love to wear when I'm wearing white, because usually I don't know then what to wear, and then this really compliments me. Whenever I've worn this, I've always got compliments, and I want you to get two, so definitely go for this. And now my sixth recommendation, that is again from a little higher on your budget range, that is the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Lipstick, and I'm in the shade Cocoa Soft, a very pretty nude color. Again, definitely highly recommended shade. Please do go for this. Now the formula feels really very comfortable. It's exactly what it says, weightless mousse, and I feel like I'm not wearing anything on my lips. It's very comfortable. A single coat gives you a pretty nude color, even if your lips are pigmented, and multiple would give you nice chocolate color. I purchased it for half the price. The lipsticks are priced at 650, and I got it for discount around 350. So definitely look for discounts, and you are definitely going to put this in your budget friendly lipsticks. A very pretty color, a universal color, would suit every skin tone, and I hope you really find any one of these ideal for you. So I've tried keeping all the skin tones in mind, and then I have selected these shades for you, and these are really very budget friendly. If you are a college girl or if you're a school girl and you're looking for one, this is going to be the video for you. So I really hope you find your shade in this range, and yeah, this is how it looks like in the natural light. So I hope the colors are more clear to you and helps you in better decision. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and I really hope you find one shade for yourself. If you have any doubt regarding any shade, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want more videos like this, you can definitely ask me down in the comment section. And if you find it a little bit interesting, if you found your shade, please do consider to like and subscribe to my channel, because it takes a little effort for us to make videos and motivates us to make more videos like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.